Hello the internet! It is Wednesday the 16th of December 2020. Welcome back to A Wave a Day. A Wave a Day is my project where I surf a wave every day at my local Culburra Beach for the entire calendar month of December 2020. I used to stipulate it had to be at a certain part of the beach. The rules are for this month, anywhere along this beautiful freaking beach, depending on where the best swell is. And I want to thank my generous sponsors, Arsen Wetsuits, Bell Surf Wax for the beautiful wax coating on this absolutely beautiful surfboard from Benny Crawford Designs. That's right, folks. For the whole month, I am riding the toothpick. Benny Crawford Designs gives a minute toothpick. So if you like the idea of seeing me surf a wave every single day, no matter what the conditions, come back daily through December. Well, more accurately, today could be considered a paddle a day. This is exactly the same as yesterday, except that there's more swell and it's more wind. It's gonna be heinous. I'm not looking forward to this at all. This is the project. The project's called A Wave a Day. I gotta get a wave, even if it's just gonna be white water. Look at this garbage. Look at this monstrosity. I don't wanna be paddling like I was yesterday just to stay on the bank. This is heinously hideous. The only good thing about this morning is our poo update. Let's have a look at the poo-poo. What are you doing down there, poo? How are ya? Poo's good. This is gonna be absolutely garbage. Do you know what though? I made this project. I'm getting in there and getting a wave. I don't know if I'll paddle all the way out. We'll see, we'll see. This is heinous. It's gonna be a massive drag all along here. Let's go surfboard riding. Today I'm going to walk pretty far to the north because if I'm gonna paddle, I know it's gonna suck me all the way down here. And I don't even think I'm gonna get out the back. I think I'm gonna just get into midsection and take something. We'll see what happens, but I know that I'm gonna be dragged along. I didn't put sun cream on. Shit. All right. We're gonna enter here. We're gonna drift all the way down there. That's the idea. turned out I only took 2 on the head. One of them knocked me off my board, and then I was a little bit sort of, woo, how's your uncle? And I guess it was about the same as yesterday, 8 out of 10. Now, I'm in good line. The beach cam, I'm gonna get 1 wave and call it, I think. What's this? Heavily. Oh no, it's raining really heavily. My iPad's on the beach. It's raining super heavy. I gotta get a wave. Oh, that's heavy, dude. Dude, that's heavy rain. Wow. Heavy rain. I'm gonna die here. Holy crap, I gotta go. I don't think my iPad's ruined. That did really hammer down though. And I was out there pretty confident I could get a decent ride. As soon as that rain started coming, I was like, dude, I gotta get in. So I took a few attempts, and then it was pretty clear that I wasn't getting what I wanted, and I was on the inside at the risk of a big mama coming in. But I think the wave I took kind of had like a reform or something. I felt like I almost fell off, and then I looked up and there was like a second section. It's all white and frothy. Not ideal. I just spat on my ankle. Might as well add to it. Yeah, not ideal at all. So if you enjoyed seeing me being not ideal, come back tomorrow for Wave a Day Part 17! Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing me catch a wave right here at Culburra Beach every day in December. And if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also check out my regular content right here. Check out a previous Wave a Day right there. And if you're feeling like you want to support the content, Patreon right there. And I'll see you on the next upload.